Your search for the most durable and reliable Myers Pump repair parts ends here. We at Pump Products offer the best repair and replacement solutions for Myers pumps. With a well-stocked inventory and an expert team, we can help you purchase suitable repair parts. We sell replacement and repair parts for all series and models of Myers pumps, including CMVS series, MVPH series, to WHRH series. You can purchase the replacement and repair parts online at a low guaranteed price for all kinds of Myers pumps, including well pumps, shallow well jet pumps, deep well jet pumps, convertible jet pumps, submersible water pumps, irrigation pumps, sewage pumps, grinder pumps, effluent pumps, sump pumps, centrifugal pumps, booster pumps. The Myers Pump Replacement and Repair Kits consist of pump flanges, jet pump parts, water pump parts, pump repair kits, pump motors, pump impellers, mechanical seals, pump shafts, pump bearings, pump gaskets, pump wear rings, pump rotating assemblies, QP10 pump parts, QP20 parts, HR50S parts, FE Myers pump parts, and QP15 impellers. Pump Products is a leading Myers Pumps online pump repair parts dealer servicing customers nationwide. Our online store and huge inventory levels allow you to buy the repair parts direct from us and have them delivered to your doorstep. Inspector Pumphead and his team of application engineers are standing by to answer questions regarding pump and pump part selections and can assist in pump sizing, troubleshooting, and other pump-related issues. Need it now? We offer fast shipping, with most orders being processed and shipped the same day at the lowest prices anywhere. Pump Products, your direct connection to Myers Pumps and Parts. Visit us at pumpproducts.com or call our toll-free number today, 1-800-429-0800.